Welcome to a house tour of a Detroit house our crew recently renovated. In this video, I have a different kind of ask. I'll get right to it and ask as you watch the beautiful job our crew did. We are looking for a private money lender. But first, let me give you some background. I'm Monique Burns. My husband Pat and I have been buying Detroit properties since 2007, renovating them, keeping some for our own portfolio, and flipping other houses as our full-time job. We have renovated up to 300 houses at this point. The biggest problem we hear people face in Detroit is getting a good, reliable crew to do renovations. That's the problem we have figured out. As you can see, our crew is great. We know what we're doing in the city of Detroit. We've been asked to be a crew for hire. We've been asked to do equity splits. Today, I'm not offering either of those. We've done both of those. Our goal now is to get a loan for $150,000 secured by a few of our own rental properties that we own free and clear. It's better for us than an equity split that never seems fair or simply being a crew for hire. It's better for you because you would get a better interest rate than you are currently receiving in your IRA or 401k. We could get a DSCR loan, but those interest rates are really high right now. We'd rather give that interest rate or better to one of our loyal followers than to a bank. So I thought I'd just ask my followers first who have seen what we do. If this interests you, set up a time on Calendly to speak with me. Thanks for watching, and if you aren't a follower, please subscribe. You never know what I'll post next.